YouTube? Guess who's back? Just Mitch. Coming at you with another video on YouTube. I know it's been quite a minute, maybe a bit too long. Now this is going to be another Tech Tuesday, okay? So don't worry, I know everyone really wants a Tech Tuesday, so it's back. But for the start of this video, since it is New Year's, so Happy New Year's everyone. Pew, 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 pew. Since it is New Year's, I want to talk a little bit about my resolutions for this year, what I want to do with this year, and talk a little about the channel in general and what direction I kind of want it to go in, because I do want to make this channel work and actually post content for you guys this year. So we're going to get into that. If you're just here for the tech side of the video, here's the number when the tech video starts. But if you want to hear what's going on in my life and what I'm going to be doing this year, then stick around for this part because I'm going to be saying a lot. So to start, I want to say a little bit about the channel in general. I'm still going to be doing tech reviews, Tech Tuesdays. They're not going to be coming every week, every 2 weeks. It's going to be based on when I get tech in, since I do buy a lot of tech, but not a lot of it is interesting enough to make a whole video on, so I like piling up a whole bunch of tech. So once I pile up a whole bunch of stuff that would be interesting enough to make a video on, I will be posting Tech Tuesday reviews. They just won't be weekly, because I want to make them interesting and not just one little thing for you guys to watch. Secondly, the videos that are going to be coming weekly or bi-weekly, I'm going to try and do weekly as I need stuff from my Instagram, is going to be photography vlogs / videos. So there's still going to be lots of tech involved. I'm going to be using my cameras, lights, all these type of things, photo shoots, going out, just random places to take photos. So expect that, since I do love photography and I use photography on my Instagram. I love posting a lot of new pictures. If you want to check out my Instagram, it will be right here. But I do go out to take photos a lot and I don't really record it. So I thought I'd record my videos for you guys to come along with the journey with me, and maybe you could learn a little bit about the photography, which I think I have said before. But that will go into talking about my New Year's resolutions, which my number one resolution is to be more active on social media. And I know a lot of people say that, but I'm also saying it. I really want to be more active on social media. I believe this is the year I can start, since I'm in my last semester of school and I'm going to be moving down to Toronto next year, or about 4 months, 5 months. So I'm going to have a lot of free time on my hands. And I'm going to need to take a lot of pictures since I'm going to be bored. So that's my number one resolution. Going on to my number two resolution is just to be more healthy, eat healthier. I do go to the gym, but to go to the gym more consistently, just work on my overall health and feel better as like a human being. Because going to the gym and eating healthy is the way you go through life, for me, to feel better in my day-to-day and actually have energy to go do stuff. Because when I eat like shit and I don't work out, it just ruins my whole day. So that's my number two resolution. And on to my number three resolution will just to meet more awesome people, to fix relationships I screwed up in the past, and also just be a better person in general. I guess that's what my third resolution is. So those are my three resolutions for the year. If you have any resolutions that you want to do and want to tell me, comment down below, which would be awesome. I'd love to hear your resolutions for the year. But without further ado, I guess we will start the long-awaited Tech Tuesday. And trust me, this one, there's a lot of stuff, so you definitely don't want to miss it. So first up is the bag I carry everything in. This bag right here is my life. I carry this around every day. Even if I'm not doing photography, I take this bag. It is a douchebag. It's from Douchebags. I'm not a douche. Well, no, I'm not a douchebag. Hopefully, but this is a douchebag camera bag. I bought the one. It's called the backpack. I'll put the links below of the things I have. But pretty much, it's just a really nice bag. It says less human, more being on the side, which is pretty cool. I just needed a new camera bag. I had a Amazon one and it kind of broke pretty fast, so I said screw it, I'm gonna buy an expensive bag because it's gonna last me a long time, and with the warranty on this thing, I couldn't say no. Like, it's just everything I wanted in a bag. So when you open it up, it's pretty awesome inside. As you can see, this big pouch right here. So this main little square right here is my main photography box. You buy this box separately. I think it's called the camera kit or something like that. It'll be in the link, or I'll have it up right here the name of it. But pretty much this is what it looks like. Inside I have my microphone slot right here. It's being used on my camera, but you will see it. I have the windsock also inside there. My first lens I have is my regular lens that came with my Canon 80D, which I got together, which is what I'm recording on right now. It is a EFS 18 to 55 millimeter lens. It is image stabilized and it is a macro. So this is what came with my camera. I love this lens. It got me into photography. It's not the best lens, but this is what started me off into everything I've been doing. So this lens will always be with me. And going off of that lens is what I have next. I got a EFS 55 to 250 millimeter image stabilized lens. So pretty much this goes 18 to 55, and then I go from 55 to 250. So I have my whole upper range covered. Obviously these aren't the most expensive lenses, but I got what I needed, and I don't think I needed $3,000 lenses for what I'm trying to do. My last lens is a wide angle lens. It is a 10 to 18 millimeter EFS image stabilized lens. It is a widescreen. What you're looking at right now is this lens, and what you're hearing on is my mic, so good to know, right? I got this lens to make my range even bigger, as my middle lens goes 18 to 55, so this will go 10 to 18. I now have a 3 lens kit, which is awesome in photography because I can now do wide angle, I can do macro shots, a little close up if I need to, and I also have my middle range lens that does pretty much everything in the middle, just the regular stuff. And as a photographer, you really need 3 lenses to make yourself stand out, because if your video is just all one angle and one view, it's not going to be visually appealing. Well, it will be visually appealing, but you could make it better by getting different views and angles, which will make your video stand out. So that's it for my box, which I love. It also straps into the bag, so it's not coming out anywhere. So that is awesome. So on the left hand side, I do have all my accessories. I have my MacBook charger. I have my carrying case for all my SD cards, along with my SD card reader, which has a USB type reader in it also, so I can use all my things. And up top, I have my beautiful hard drive where I store all my stuff, and I've gone through many of these and I will still go through many of these as they do corrupt and get full. So always have multiple of these, even though I have one. Now what I do have that is really awesome I got for Christmas is, this is a Audio-Technica Bluetooth / plug-in microphone. So the Audio-Technica is really good for editing. You can hear all the sounds, which is really what you need in editing, because you want to be the best of the best as you can be, and you don't want to miss out on any little sounds that can make your video not stand out. So these also plug in, because if you use Bluetooth, there is an audio delay, so you don't want to edit on a Bluetooth headset, because the audio delay will not sync up with your video. So when you do post it live, you're going to be like, why is my audio slightly off? And that's because you're listening to it on Bluetooth. So if you do edit, get headphones that can plug in, because it is essential. Next up, I got a switch pod. So I got this off Kickstarter. It was about $100, and I saw this on Peter McKinnon channel. It's pretty much a tripod that is a handheld for selfies and vlogs, and also it flips out and turns into a tripod, which is really awesome. I do need to buy a ball head for the top of this so I can rotate the angle of the lens, but I will get that done, and that will be coming soon. I also have on the side here my battery charger for my camera, and last but not least, my most important item in this whole bag, my MacBook. So this is my first really good laptop. I had an Alienware before this, before I started really editing, getting into photography. That is a really bad decision. Alienware, I'm not trying to trash their brand, but didn't run very well, and it broke after like a year and a half. But since I've got this MacBook, it is a MacBook Pro base edition. I love this thing. It doesn't have the most space on it, but that's why I have a hard drive. Editing on this thing is awesome. Obviously, I'd want a more expensive one to get better results, but for me, this works. All my editing's on here. I do all my photography on here. I got the Adobe Creative Cloud app, so I have literally everything at the touch of my fingertips to do anything I want, from 3D design, editing, photography, After Effects, just anything I want to do is on this computer, and it's honestly a lifesaver. I just love it. It's amazing. But that's everything I have in my douche bag. So we're gonna move on to what I have next. So last up is my lighting kit. Is the lights you see on right now. It is what makes this video look good. If you want good videos, essential to get good lighting. Obviously, if you're starting off and you don't have money, you don't need to get a lighting kit. Just put on your lights. It's not all about the lights. But if you want to look professional, have a good lighting kit. I got mine from Amazon. It is the iCan OYB 240 3-piece kit. Onyx 240 bicolor 3-point LED lighting kit in black. That's a lot. I'll have the link obviously in the description, but it is a 3 lighting kit lens. You get 3 lights, 6 batteries, 3 tripod stands, and a carrying bag to put it all in. It's not the most expensive one, as I don't have thousands of dollars to spend on a lighting kit, but for what it does, it is amazing. For a little example of how dark this can be without lights, I'll turn one of them off. So this is what it looks like with no lights on. Obviously you can't see anything, so that's not very good. Now this is what it looks like with one light on. Obviously still not the best, but I am getting light as it is pitch black in this room. Now with just 2 lights on, everything looks awesome. I didn't think I needed the 3rd light today. But for some situations in photography, you need 3-point lighting, so you do need 3 lights. But for today's video, I didn't think I needed the 3 lights, as this will just be a little video for what we're doing. And someone is ripping apart a door over there, probably one of my cats. Sorry for that. But overall, this is my camera gear I've been stacking up. I've been working on a photography kit so I could do photography in my free time and even make money out of it. Who knows? But overall, that is Tech Tuesday, guys. I don't have too much more to say. I already told you that there's going to be more videos coming, and I really hope that you still watch my videos, like if you want, comment, and subscribe for more videos coming soon in the new year, I promise. I'm going to wrap up the video now, guys. I hope you enjoyed all the tech and my updates on what I'm going to be doing in the new year. So hopefully I actually follow my plan, which I plan to do. So pray with me. We're going to do it. If you like any of the equipment you've seen in the video, it will all be in the link below if you want to buy it. Obviously, I'm not saying you need this equipment to do anything in photography or videography, as if you're starting out and don't have money, just start with what you have. You'll gain knowledge, and when you finally do have money from saving up to get what you want, then get it. But it's not essential. Just go out there with whatever you have and start making content, because that's what truly matters. Not the equipment, it's the content and you. So thanks again, guys. Have a happy new year. I hope your New Year's is amazing, and I hope all your dreams come true in 2020. I know this is going to be an amazing year for myself and everyone, and I hope you make the best out of what you have. So this has been Mitch with Tech Tuesday. See you again for the next Tech Tuesday. Who knows when it's coming, but I'll see you for the next photography video coming soon. So peace.